So in this tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to know if somebody is connecting or had already connected to your Wi-Fi using a certain app. And this application is this, Who is on my Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to install the application, and after you install, by the way, it's a free application, so there's nothing to worry about. And after you install, all you have to do is to scan the the application. I mean, use the scan option of such application. So as I said, all you have to do is to download. So you need to open your internet browser, and you should go to that's wrong, who is on my Wi-Fi.com. So once you are here, so here, all you have to do is to click this one, download for free, and you just choose whether you are using Windows, a Mac, your Android, or your iPhone. So as for me, I am using Windows, so just click the download now button and you will see this application downloading. So all you have to do is just follow the installation process, because I have already downloaded the app and had already installed it. So just follow the installation process, and once you are done, it is just very easy. So as I said, all you have to do is to open the application, this one, after you have installed it, who is on my Wi-Fi. So you double click this one. So this is it. And as I said, all you have to do is to scan. So scan and wait if somebody is connected to your Wi-Fi. And if someone had already connected to your Wi-Fi, such device would be shown here. So how to know if such device is unknown or known to you? All you have to do is to check the MAC address of such device, because every MAC address is like a digital signature of your device. As for me, if you look this one, this is the MAC address of my laptop, this one, which is unique only to my laptop. There are no other laptops that has the same number as this one, my laptop. So as you can see, this one, there is a new one that has already that is connected to my Wi-Fi. So this one is my tablet. I just known that this is my tablet because I know the MAC address of my tablet. As you can see, I had already downloaded, I mean, had a copy of such MAC address. So let me show it to you. So this is the one. This is the MAC address of my tablet, 30:19.66 EF F24A. So if you look this one, let me make it bigger. So 30:19.66 EF F24A. So all you have to do is to see if the MAC address of your device and the MAC address that is being shown here is the same. So if it is same, you all have to do is to give a description and click here whether it is known or unknown, and you need to scan, and I mean you need to save. So that's it. All you have to do is to install the application. After you install the application, you need to scan and check whether or not the MAC address is the same in your mobile device and the MAC address that is being shown in the application. So that's